Hello friends, my name is Manish and I welcome you to another video of Technical Chaharji. And usually I'm on the move and it's very hard for me to transfer the files to other users, whether it is of 500 MB or 1 GB. And usually I have very hard time to upload this kind of videos over the YouTube as well. Because of my limited connectivity from the phone only, I've not been able to upload huge files, transfer huge files to other users. So what's the solution to that? In this video, I'm going to show you a solution to that problem, that without using the quality of the video, how you can compress the file size. So watch this video till the end so you have a complete solution that how you're going to save your much bandwidth and how you can easily upload any file into the YouTube.
So let me just show you a file over here on my desktop. As you can see, it is of 129 MB and I'm going to reduce its size without losing any quality. So what you need to do, you need to go to your Google search and you need to search for Handbrake. As soon as you search for Handbrake and site will come, Handbrake open source video transcoder, you need to select this. From here you need to download Handbrake 1.2.0 or any other version which is available at the time of your download. I've already downloaded this software, so let me just show you. And this is the software which I downloaded it. So it will ask me to drop a file or folder here which you want to reduce the size but not the quality of the video. So I'm just selecting this and dropping it over here. So you can see that it will ask me that please wait. Now it is showing me over here that what kind of video it is, and over here you can go for the video. Once you do video, select your frame rate. Since my most of videos in 30 frame per second, so I'm selecting 30 over here only. If you have a 60, you can select for 60 as well, but for me I'm selecting 30 and rest all will remains the same. No changes in the audio, subtitles or chapters, or even in the dimension. If you want to change, you can change it, but right now I'm keeping it as it is, which is of 1920 and height will be 1080. So I'm keeping it as it is, anything I'm not been changing. And moreover, if you want to change, you can change the quality or you can change that how it will look. Over here says the slower quality or the flexible quality. So the smaller the size, smaller the constant quality, you can say, the larger the file size, the lower the quality, the smaller is your file size. So over here I'm reducing it to 24. Over here you can also see that it will give you it between 20 to 23 for high definition videos. So I'm just keeping it 23 only. Okay, and right now I will choose the file name on the desktop itself only. So I'll again choosing same 1 plus XA test, and I'm saving it, and I will start the encode. So over here you can see that is showing me that is how much time it will take for encoding a file. So let me just pause the video over here and let me just take you where the file has been encoded. So the file has been encoded now, and let me just show you the file size of our new imported encoded file, which is of, as you can see, it is of 23 MB and as compared to of your 129 MB. Let me just show you a quality as well.
Hey there, bell icon, so you never miss any new updates.
Friends, in today's videos I'm going to compare the slow motion feature of the.
And let me just play my new encoded file, which is of less MB.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates.
Friends, in today's videos I'm going to compare the slow motion.
So here you can see the file size of both the video files and compare it how it must help me in lowering down the video size. Think about it. When you have a slow connection and when you want to upload a heavy file into the YouTube, it is a very helpful file. Even when you are traveling, you can use this software in your laptop and get the file uploaded to your YouTube channel very quickly, and you can still save very much of the bandwidth.
So I hope you will like this solution which I've showed you right now, and let me know in the comments below whether you're able to use this solution and how much bandwidth you're able to save and how much actually the time you have saved by uploading the file. And as usual, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such kind of interesting videos. And I see you all in my next video.